Here we are at the mangrove walk still, and they've got a little shelter here. You can sit down with the roof and everything and watch, and it's got a fish bait stand just over here. So obviously you must be allowed to fish here. Being low tide, I don't know what you'd get at high tide. Obviously the high tide's going to bring all the food back in. But yeah, I have no idea what sort of fish you'd get here. Maybe bream, maybe whiting. I suppose you might even get a small flathead. But, who knows? Beautiful spot. We've actually got a day where it's not blowing a gale for once. There's a little bit of a breeze, but it's not blowing a gale. Nice and peaceful.